Hello, we have baby Milana with us today. She's almost 5 months. Preparation for rolling. So we want to turn Milana from side to side and eventually to make her roll. So the movement is coming from the leg. We are trying up. Yeah, but I want her to stay a little bit on the side, and I smash a little bit and I tap. I want the baby to be able to put the head on the floor and to feel comfortable on the side. We want to see one line and a little bit bended back. So Milana is in a perfect position and she can roll by herself. She might choose to go back on the back. It's also good. And now I will do the same slowly from the side, back, and to the other side. The movement is coming from the knee. I'm bending the knee and I don't let her turn immediately. I am tapping and smashing. Chuk, 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 chuk. And look, she's enjoying it. This leg is straight, almost straight. This leg is bended. She feels comfortable on the floor, and if not, I'm lifting a little bit the pelvis, so she will stay on the side, and from here she can choose up. This transferring balance is the most important. The few seconds that she stayed like, I don't know if I can do it, these are the most important moments for the baby, because he's using his body, he's training the body.
I hope you enjoyed the video with Regina, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friend.